Hey everyone, need a landing page fast? Today, let's build one in minutes using Mixo AI. Let's get started. First, search for Mixo AI and open the website. Then here in the main page, you'll see a prompt box. Type your landing page name and a short description of what it's for. For example, like this. Then after done typing your prompt, click next and you can now choose your goal. You can choose whatever you like, and after done choosing, you can click generate my site and the Mixo AI will create automatically a landing page. Once the draft appears, you can edit the text, you can customize the font, color, and dark mode or light mode. You can also adjust the layout to match your brand. Then you can update, and once you're happy with the result, you can publish it. By your landing page will be live instantly, and that's it. A professional landing page created in minutes with Mixo AI, ready to share with the world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.